Okay, so picture this. It's the year 1354. Everyone smells like cheese. And this old lady passes out after drinking bat wine. Yeah, medieval Red Bull. She collapses. The town's doctor, who's actually just a baker in a bird mask, goes, "Yep, she's dead," because sniffing was considered science. They toss her in a coffin, light some candles, and just when they start the funeral, achoo! The lady sneezes. The priest screams witchcraft and jumps like 3 feet in the air. If this made you snort laugh, hit that follow button and comment wax cure so the TikTok goblins send you more historical fails. She lived 10 more years. But yeah, no more bat wine, ever.